Okay, now I'm at a place called Grosse Pointe Farms. So the last video was Grosse Pointe Woods, and I ventured into Grosse Pointe Farms, and it also has all these kind of cool little brick buildings. And it's kind of interesting because I also noticed that there's a Mac road that's directly in front of us, and then it crosses into Detroit right across the Mac Street. So these are actually the Grosse Pointe Farm side, and then the other side is going to be Detroit. And you got some pretty cool brick homes everywhere in here. Really like it a lot. Really, really cool. Like that. Amazing, actually. So, Chris, we're gonna continue on. Grosse Pointe Farms. I kind of want to go across because you'll see Detroit as well. There's Taco Bell. Grosse Pointe Family Dentistry over there, so they'll start using the name Grosse Pointe everywhere around here. Let's see. I kind of want to get more into. So Grosse Pointe Farms is all on the right, and Detroit is all on the left. So I'm going to try to go back into these homes again, just kind of give you the whole structure of it. Got a red light at the moment though. There's a post office. Flower shop. Actually, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to just turn right here. And just go into these neighborhoods a little bit more. Flower shop. Yeah, they're really pretty homes, actually. I'll put it like this so you can see them properly. But yeah, I have all these like beautiful brick homes. So this is called Grosse Pointe Farms. Then we're gonna go down the street and try to go across Mac Avenue to the Detroit side. And the homes actually look pretty cool over there too. They're quite similar actually. There's also some brick homes, so you can see kind of a continuation of it. Okay. Looks like we can go straight across here into the Detroit side. So we're still on Grosse Pointe Farm side. All these brick homes everywhere. And then we're going to cross into the Detroit side. Got a green light in front of us. Now we're going to cross Mac Street, which was and now we're on the Detroit side. So these would all have Detroit address. So Detroit address, but they're basically get also that Mac Street that they can use as well. Also got some kind of nice homes in here too. Everybody here would have a Detroit address. It's all residential, some nice brick ones too. They look kind of similar. I think the right side is a little bit better looking than the left side right now. The left side has some fences here, so I guess you can kind of see those still too. Yeah, it looks nice in here. Grosse Pointe Farms. Let me see, I guess I could, so you can take a left, but I think I'm going to keep going straight. Oops. Four-way stop, and then we got a park over here. There's a park right there. Sorry, I didn't put the camera on it. You got a baseball park. So kind of interesting. You go back to this side again so you can see it properly. So yeah, it's Detroit side, right next to Grosse Pointe Farms. Nice little transition. Then we're gonna come back over to Mack Street and we'll give it a little drive down it. Bike shop. What a cool bike repair shop. Got a red light right now. Yeah, actually this part of Detroit is kind of cool. Oh, that park is called Bad Luck Park. What I wouldn't mind doing is driving down this little side of Detroit slightly. And so this is all part of Detroit as well. It's kind of nice. And then we're going to head back over to Grosse Pointe Woods in a moment. Grosse Pointe Farm, sorry. And I guess the best way to do it, there's a Dollar Tree store. See some streets down that way. So we're going to take a left here, come back down Marcel Street, and we're gonna head back into Detroit, into Grosse Pointe Farms. So this is the Detroit side. Soon we'll be back on the, let's see, we have to go down a little bit to get back to the Grosse Farm. I guess that Mack Road kind of deviates a little bit. These are nice homes in here. All these little nice brick homes. Court 4, Detroit. Physical therapy. Don't know what that one is. And Grosse Pointe Farms is straight ahead, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go back this way. And I'm going to take a right as soon as I can. Go back onto the Grosse Pointe Farm side. I think I'm actually going to go right here. Now you're on the Grosse Pointe Farm side. Nice homes. Didn't really expect this little part of Detroit to be so cool looking. Got a nice Mack Street, Mack Avenue right in the middle there. Some of them are quite big around here too. We might actually be more into Grosse Pointe. So now we're back on Grosse. I think we're Grosse Pointe Farms here, anyways. Nice homes. I think I'm going to go down one of these side streets because they look so cool in this area. So that's Grosse Pointe Farms. So with a little bit of Detroit mixed in. I'm gonna stick to these houses until we get all the way back to Mac Road, and then once we get to Mac, I think I might. I think it's kind of an interesting area, so. Oh, so actually there's a sign right there. It says City of Grosse Pointe Farms. So Grosse Pointe Farms is straight right there. So actually, I guess we tapped a little bit into Grosse Pointe. So some of those other ones that we were at were Grosse Pointe. And we're gonna try to turn into this lane in just a second. Chipotle. So now we're back in Grosse Pointe Farms. And actually we're on Mac Avenue right now, so we got some there's like a village market right there. It looks pretty cool. Got interesting stuff right here. And we're kind of stuck. And I think because I thought I was in Grosse Pointe Farms, but I was actually not quite in it. I'm gonna go down one of these streets real quick. Now you can see these are definitely, they kind of look kind of similar. I guess that other one was right on the border anyways, so yeah, these are all Grosse Pointe Farms homes. Looks nice. Nice solid brick homes. Cool. Okay, so anyways, got a little bit of a taste of that little side of Detroit with some of the stuff in here. Looks like we're gonna end over by a baseball diamond here. So kind of cool. Amy Davis Field for the kids in the school, I guess, as well. All right, Grosse Pointe Farms. Actually, I'm not quite done yet. I guess Grosse Pointe Farms, I was just at the border with where it meets Detroit, but actually it keeps on going towards the shore. And got the homes are getting a little bit bigger, and we're gonna keep on seeing how it continues on. And I'm kind of curious on the Detroit side as well, but nonetheless, we're going to go all the way down to the shore, so we'll keep you informed a little bit. One of the things I can see right now, there's a big thing called Country Club of Detroit, which is that green part. St. Paul on the Lake Catholic Church. I guess that could be a destination spot too. Anyways, let's keep on checking it out. Oh yeah, okay, this is kind of cool. So we're still driving. And I do see water straight ahead, and there's no house that's blocking it either, which is pretty unusual. Usually everywhere I see, there's always like, wow, look at those sailboats out there. Oh, there's a big marina up there too. Wow. So Grosse Pointe Farms has this kind of thing at the end. Whoa, very cool. Didn't expect that. That's nice. Look at the sailboats, wow. And on the other side, as you can imagine, there's some pretty massive houses. Not too surprising. Grosse Pointe Farms, wow. It's really nice. That's funny, there's a flag up there, there's an Irish flag over that house. Probably an Irish American guy. Huh. So anyways, this is Grosse Pointe Farms. Going towards Grosse Pointe. Oh, nice. there's a church right there. Kind of missed it. There's a church, you just kind of barely saw it. So anyways, I guess we'll end it right there.